Some interesting English words with Gujarati meaning. Let's begin. First, mighty means શક્તિશાળી. Next, probably means કદાચ. Next is insignificant means નજીવું. Next, initial means શરૂઆતનું. Next is incredible means અકલ્પનીય. Next, compound means સંયોજન. Next is growth means વિકાસ. Next, assumption means અનુમાન. Next is mentality means માનસિકતા. Last but not the least word is replicate means નકલ કરવી.